What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, guys, we're gonna be changing out these old cheap airlines here in glad hands. I don't like running these. Had too many bad experiences with these, so we're gonna go ahead and get those changed out today, boys, for the more durable ones. They cost a little bit more, but definitely worth it. So as y'all can see, my wife just threw them up on the catwalk. That's the new ones. So yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed, go on and smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing, it's free. And activate the bell icon down below while you're at it to get notifications whenever we drop something new on the channel, whether it's got to do with trucking, Peterbilts, whether it's got to do with Hondas, whatever. So go on and do that for me so you can get notifications and watch the videos as they drop. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools ready and get everything ready to remove these old airlines and install the new ones. So be right back with you guys. All right, boys, pretty straightforward. Unhook your old airlines, of course, like so. And then see what contraption they got going on here. So this looks like it's going to be like a 10mm socket, and that'll undo the lines from this little thing. And we're going to be using the same old pogo stick. We're not replacing that just yet, so I'm going to definitely be using these lines, or these brackets probably. We'll see what happens when we get there. So just going to get my tools ready to take these tins off and be right back at y'all. Oh, it's bigger than the 10.
Or 13. So it was 11, guys.
It's an 11. So what we're going to do is free up these nuts here and should be able to drop the airline off of this pogo stick. So I'm going to get these unbolted here and be right back at y'all with the next step. Oh shit, I still gotta do this one. All right, guys, now with the 7/8 wrench, we're gonna pop these lines right off of here like so. Hopefully I can use the fittings that are on here. If not, we'll jump on that when we get to it. All right, put up a little fight, but we was able to get it out.
Now remove this fitting, guys, so we can use our new one.
All right, guys, wife's got Teflon, liquid Teflon on the new fitting. We're just gonna screw that down in place where it goes. 7/8 wrench.
I think it's
Is it the same size? Or?
oh,
Yeah.
yep, same size.
Yep,
Same
same
size,
size.
guys. Tighten it down.
All right, guys. As you can see, we got the air supply line, which is the blue one, off as well. We got the other fitting on, tightened down with Teflon. Wifey just handed me the next fitting. It's got Teflon on it as well. We're gonna screw that down in there, tighten it down with this wrench, then we should be ready to install our airlines.
And a little Teflon to the fitting before we put some hoses on. Alright, so he already has the red line hooked up. Now he's working on the blue one. Put it on there and tighten it down. Snug them down.
Alright.
Then he's going to plug his electrical connection up.
This truck is equipped with 2, guys. I've never seen it before, but I'm sure it's got to be better than 1, so we got a backup. Just like that. Plug that up. There we go. Hook up our electrical. Upside down.